Ako excited ako makalaro sila kasi parang yung iba dyan, first time ko makasama sila. So,
Kanino ka pinaka-excited dyan? Oh?
siguro si Nick.
Okay.
Kasi,
May
kami.
history.
Kaya excited ako na makasama siya kasi hindi man kami natuloy maglaro nung grade 12 ako kasi pandemic. So, at least
Ngayon.
may chance na.
Okay. Ikaw, Raven, nakita mo yung listahan no, ng All-Star. Anong masasabi mo sa mga teammates mo ngayon?
Yun, excited din po ulit. Lalo na yung mga bago sila, Kimani Ladi, sila Warlo Batak tsaka si Orlan Momar, nakasama ko na rin po last year. And maganda din po sila kasama. And of course, si Dave. Excited po ako makalaro sila.
But seriously, this is going to be the best All-Star Saturday yet for MPBL, August 29.
Sa loob ng court, may laban. Sa labas ng court, may kwento. At dito sa Rebanse, may sagot sa lahat. Hindi ito basta highlights. Hindi ito basta stats. Ang mga laro, ang mga kontrobersya, ang mga sandaling hindi mo malilimutan, at ang mga tanong na kailangan ng sagot. Susuriin namin ang bawat play. Haharapin namin ang bawat issue. Current action, throwback stories, real talk, walang preno. Ito ang basketball culture ng Pinas. Buhay, hindi natutulog, at laging may laban. Kung may issue, may sagot. Kung may talo, may Rebanse. Ang podcast na hindi nagpapatalo.
Kung akala mo tapos na ang usapan sa Final Buzzer, nagkakamali ka. Dahil dito, lahat ng kaganapan sa MPBL on and off the court ay pinag-uusapan. Ako po, si Mika Abisamis.
What a beautiful day.
It's a beautiful day.
Ito ang podcast na hindi lang basta recap, ang tambayan ng tunay na basketball fans. Dito, walang safe takes, walang preno, game analysis, locker room talk, at mga kwentong dito mo lang maririnig. My name is Coach Christian Luanzon.
We are here to talk about the league that lives and breathes the heart of the country's cities and provinces. From the highlight reels to the social media fire, I am Joe Gomesiliano.
Dahil sa show na ito, kung may issue, may sagot. Kung may talo, aba, may rebanse. Good morning, my friends. Okay.
Teka,
Okay.
bakit
Diba?
iba yung anyo ni Joe?
May salamin din naman. May salamin din naman, no?
Hi, I'm Joe's manager.
Pero mas ka-respeto yung dating nito.
Diba?
Itong version ni Joe yan.
For the first time, hindi ko tatanungin kung nakakailang episodes na tayo. Because this,
Irrelevant.
It will be very irrelevant today because this is a special episode.
Yes.
As we are gonna talk about the upcoming All-Star Day
Yes.
of Season 8 of the MPBL, ang inaabangan ng ating mga fans.
May yan.
Teka lang.
Ay,
Hindi
hindi,
lang
sige.
mga player, ha? Ang All-Star.
Yun.
Okay? Sa panel, may All-Star cast din, di ba? Pinangungunahan ng dalawa sa pinakamatagal na sa MPBL. Huwag ka magsasalita kasi ako mag-i-introduce eh. Diyan ka lang, okay? Gusto ko lang po
Siya lang ang
ipakilala.
usapan eh.
I would like to introduce to everybody ang pioneers, no, ng MPBL TV. Okay? Sedelf Tupas and Coach Christian Luanzon. Palakpakan naman tayo dyan. Okay, maraming salamat, kapatid, at nandito ka kasama namin. Kung hindi pala nagkaka-crisis, hindi pa tayo dadalawin.
Singapore.
Fresh from
As in, pagbaba ng eroplano kaninang umaga.
Dumiretso sa taping ng Rebanse.
Yes.
At naka-blue. Diba? Sumusuporta sa Sports Plus
Correct.
talaga.
Galing.
Talaga.
As if parang alam niya, no? Feeling ko eh. Nagka-clue.
Tsaka alam na niya kung gaano mo siya kapinag-uusapan sa show na
May
to.
sasabihin na. Ito.
Welcome to Rebanse. Alam mo,
Yeah.
sa totoo lang, mga 5 minutes ago lang niya nalaman na uupo
Correct.
siya.
He's still in shock. Well,
In shock. Welcome to Rebanse, my friend. How are you today?
Well, thank you for the warm welcome. Naiya ako. First time ko naiya. As in, first time ko naiya.
hindi bagay sa'yo.
Grabe ka. Ikaw ang aga nagsimula nito, but it's truly an honor to be here. Actually, hindi ko alam na I came here by accident because, there's a lot of
Crisis management.
Crisis.
Pero that's done and over with.
crisis. resolved.
Oh,
Resolved.
crisis resolved.
Crisis resolved.
Kala niya tapos na, may gagawin pa pala siya.
Meron.
But ako naman kasi, basta kayo, game ako.
Yeah.
Yan.
And obviously, because of our topic today, we will be announcing, the all-star cast of the North and South. At syempre, pag kailangan mag-announce ng pag may announcement, nandiyan ang
CPT.
ating kaibigan.
Starting 5 lang
Starting
five.
lang muna.
We will give you some teasers, kung sino yung mga kasama sa mga ibang categories. Pero for today, kasi in the next weeks leading to the All-Star, we will be guesting the All-Stars. Okay? So makikilala natin every week kung sino bang mga kasali sa dunk contest, sa 3-point, at meron tayong bago ngayong category. Paki-announce.
Oo.
For this season.
Sa kagustuhan ng madla,
Uh-huh.
na makita yung mga yung mga guards natin na kasi daming, alam mo yan, pag nagko-cover tayo, lagi ako na-excite pag may magaling na gwardiya na maliit. So ngayon, they will have an opportunity to shine because meron tayong 1-versus-1 invitational. So,
Yay!
one-on-one invitational.
Bago yan.
Bagong-bago.
Oo.
Yung isa sa mga, I think, one of your recent guests will be part of it.
Oligario?
Yes.
Wow,
Jerry.
announcement
Oh,
yan.
isa na yan.
Okay.
Isa na yan. May 7 pa.
Oh, okay.
So,
Okay.
8 players yun. Knockout. Basta masaya yan.
Exciting.
Hindi
Bawal.
pwedeng mawala si Baklaan. Hindi pwede.
Secret.
Secret? Okay, sige.
Off the record.
Oo.
But ang maganda lang doon kasi, I think it's been done in the past. No, may ganon na showcase. But really, pag nakita mo kasi ngayon na nag-evolve na yung basketball, dami nang galaw yung mga player, masaya na siya panoorin. At dito bawal ka. Alam mo bakit? Bawal
Ako na
magposte. Bawal postehan ng mga player.
Ayan
Kasi pag
na.
tayong
Ayan
dalawa
na po.
tayong dalawa yan, popostehan mo lang ako eh.
Oo.
Bawal. Bawal dito.
So, hindi siya
Para-
pwede.
Buti na
May-
lang hindi 40 above.
I think there's gonna be a rule that up to 3 seconds ka lang magba-back down.
Okay.
So you have to be facing up.
Okay.
So that's an interesting
So, puro
rule.
breakdown moves ito.
Breakdown moves
Harap-harapan
talaga.
dapat hanggat maaari.
Harap-harapan
Ang
talaga.
exciting naman nun, no?
Harap-harapan na, hindi sapakan na. Baka. pero yun, masaya yan. At I think 3 minutes lang. 3
Okay.
minutes lang per game.
Okay.
So it's gonna happen quick. So
Pero nakakapagod yun. Yung sabihin, 3 minutes of one-on-one nakakapagod yun.
Pero
nakita mo na ba si Oligario? Mukha bang napapagod yun?
Hindi.
Pag-
Nag-i-slide pa sa ano eh.
Humi-slide pa eh.
Sa sahig.
Ano ka ba? Dumidikit pa dun sa ng ring. Di ba? Dumidikit pa.
Kumukuti pa eh.
Oo, kumukuti pa. Okay. Pero bago natin simulan ng usapan, ikwento lang natin kung bakit nandun si Joe.
Correct.
Sa kabila ngayon, di ba? Kasi
Joe,
baka
huwag ka
hinahanap
mag-alala.
din si Joe eh.
Part ka pa rin ng show.
Oo, part ka pa rin ng show.
Okay.
Paki-announce kung bakit nandun si Joe.
well, Joe is a participant in
Okay.
Yun.
and All-Star game. I hope, Joe, hindi ka book ng ibang commitment.
Ayan
Harap.
lang.
On the spot ka na.
Otherwise, you can fire me, manager.
The former dunk champion.
Former
Yes.
dunk champion.
Okay.
2 seasons ago?
2 seasons
Two
ago.
Seasons
Yeah.
ago. And I know he wants to, he wants
Redeem.
redemption.
Yeah.
He wants
Yeah.
redemption.
Kanina nga, tinatanong ako, sabi niya, Mix, alam mo ba kung pwede pumasok ang sasakyan sa
Ay, grabe ka
Montalban?
naman. Ba't mo naman sinasabi sa lahat? Hindi nalaman
Tinatanong pa lang niya,
nila.
tinatanong pa lang niya. Sabi ko, di ako sure eh.
Hindi kasi balak niya magdala din ng driver.
Oo,
Oo,
dalang
tama
driver.
naman. Malayo kasi.
Okay. Simulan na agad natin ang kwentuhan to really understand the heat of the game coming from the player's perspective.
Mga Karibanse, joining us today, let us welcome Sed Manzano of Quezon Huskers and Abras Raven Gonzalez.
Woohoo! Good morning. Ang pinakamaliliit na tao
Oo
sa
nga.
FPBN.
Nanliit din ako eh.
Nagkasya sa sofa ng Rebanse, Okay, thank you very much guys for joining us today. Alam ko si Raven galing pa sa practice, no?
Correct.
Maraming salamat kay Boss Chris Conway. Shout out
Shout out.
na he made this possible.
Yes.
No? Na nandito si Raven. Isa yan sa mga laging kakwentuhan ni si Delph, si Boss Chris, ano?
Oo. Yun siya sa pinaka chismoso.
Okay, shoutout kay Boss Chris. At syempre si Sed, maraming salamat din syempre kay Coach Eric, no? kaila boss, kay Attorney Don Kapunan, no?
Yes.
See you
Yes.
August 4.
Yes, see you August 4. At nandito rin si Sed. Okay, so ayun na nga ang rason kung bakit nandito sila. Usually, ang guests natin dito ay of the same team.
Magkakampi.
Magkakampi. Na-guest na natin ang Quezon, no? Nandito si Abate at si Gab Banal.
Correct.
A few episodes ago, we have not guested the Abra team, but today Raven is here. Maraming salamat. Okay, they are here because they will be two of the starters ng North versus South, ang ating All-Star
Correct.
game. Okay.
Raven representing the North and obviously si Seth
Sed.
representing the South.
Okay. Before we move on sa ating kwentuhan, Boss Sidelf, please do the honors of announcing kung sino ang kasama ni Raven muna.
Kita mo ha,
Ayan,
how we treat royalty here.
Oo. Sino
Ito,
ang
okay.
makakasama ni Raven sa North?
Matapos ng masusing debate
Debate.
Okay.
at diskusyon na napakalalim.
Mga gano'ng katagal yan?
Napakalalim.
Mga gano'ng katagal yan? Mga linggo rin, no?
Yung one time, hindi na kami natulog eh.
Okay.
One time, hindi na
Okay.
talaga nag-ano talaga eh.
Which sanay ka naman?
Wala
sanay
na.
ka.
Sanay na ako. Okay. Ang
Makakasama ni Raven?
makasama ni
Drum
Raven
roll.
Okay.
from, dating Ribanse guest.
Okay.
From the Caloocan Batang Kangkalu, kay Manny Ladi.
Wow! Okay, okay.
Well-deserved. Okay. Next.
Ito, hindi pwedeng walang,
Hindi pwede.
hindi pwedeng hindi ito.
Oo.
Wala
Hindi kasali to.
Hindi pwedeng hindi kasali.
The all-star of all-stars.
Oo.
Hindi, isa rin to. No, isa rin to. From the San Juan Knights.
Okay.
Okay.
Orlan Wamar.
Yan.
Galing sa napakagandang performance ha, yung last game.
Yes.
Okay. Sinalba ang kanyang team
Yes.
na muntik ng matalo yung Rebanse effect na tinatawag natin, kalaban ng mga cuties.
Si Oligario at si Calyado.
Ang ganda ng laro ni Oligar.
Yes,
Masasabi
oo.
ko lang.
Tama,
Pero si
tama,
Orlan
tama.
Wamar erupted in that game.
Kumbaga, iba pa rin
Walang
yung Wamar
three-pointer,
sa
parang
dulo.
ganun.
No? Iba
Sa
pa rin.
dulo.
Okay, go ahead.
Next.
Okay. Ito, people might say this is a surprise pick, but
Not to us.
he is very deserving.
Yes.
Mhm.
Very, very deserving.
Mm.
It's, kung nakikita mo kasi yung all-stars at mga starters, usually nasa taas yung mga teams nila. Nasa sa tuktok talaga. But
Correct.
ang ganda ng choice na to. To me,
Yes,
this is
agree.
a really, really good choice.
Mm.
From Pasig, Warlo Bata.
Wow.
3 game
Deserving.
winners.
Deserving.
3 game winners this season. Leads the league.
Yeah.
They
Plus-
almost won that game against Mikoaya, no? Maganda yung performance ni Warlo sa game na yun. Kaya lang nakahabol sila.
Na ano sila nun? Na arhente sila.
Oo,
nun.
naarente sila.
Plus, an incredible story as well.
Yes.
Yes,
ganda
yes.
ng
You're right.
kwento niya
You're right.
dito
You're
sa
right.
Rebanse.
The only guest na solo episode.
Talagang
Si Warlo.
na triple team siya.
Oo.
Oo.
Okay. Syempre, last but not the least,
Matic to.
automatic. Medyo last year hindi siya masyadong medyo nag-backseat siya sa All-Star game. So ngayon, baka buhos to.
Ay, nagkaka-40 lang yan eh.
Kaka-
40 puntos.
Oo.
Mhm.
From the Abra Solid North Weavers, the reigning MVP, Dave Ildefonso.
Okay. So yan ang ating North Starters. Pero teka ha, paalala lang natin, defending champions ang
Dalawa.
South.
Okay.
Okay,
South.
ang South Stars, defending sila, di ba?
Mm.
This was of, I think, Eric Camson
Eric
last
Camson,
season.
game winner ni Eric Camson.
There was
Yung nangyari sa Binyan.
Judel Fuentes, ang
JL,
All-Star
Ay,
MVP. Judel,
LJ.
Judel Fuentes.
Mm.
Ang ganda nun kasi I think JC Marcelino,
Yeah.
nakashoot pa nung dulo, Panamang, then si Eric
I
Camson,
remember.
game winner.
Okay, so ang ating South Starters, go ahead.
Isa-isahin ko na. Ito, unahin ko ulit. Grabe mga Rebanse guest na to
Oo.
Rebanse effect nga ang
Isa na
tawag
lang
eh.
ang hindi nakakapag-guess
Kaya
dyan.
feeling ko, after ng show na to, talagang all-star ka na.
Oo.
Rebanse effect ang tawag.
Na, yung standards ko tataas.
Oo,
Yeah.
tata.
Okay.
Okay.
Okay, from the Gensan Warriors.
Mhm.
To me, enjoying his
One of the best seasons of his
season
career. Yeah.
of his career.
Yeah.
Hesed Gabo.
Okay. Episode 1 yan.
Episode 1.
Episode 1.
Pilot, yes.
Pilot
Ah.
episode. And remember, that was after his first game against Binyan, no? Na nag-best
Correct.
player siya.
Correct.
Tama.
Napanalo sila.
Napanalo sila.
Buti naman, no? Nagtuloy-tuloy, no?
Oo.
Kasi otherwise, na-cancel din yung show niyo.
Grabe ka naman. Unang episode mo palang cancellation. Next na tayo.
Hindi, pero magandang matchup to Hesed Gabo versus Orlan Wamar. Ganda yan.
Oy, oh.
Pareho ng matatagal sa MPBL
Oo,
yan,
oo, parang may gustong patunayan yung isa dyan sa kanila. Dalawa
Oo.
talaga sa... I think last season may laban si ano dyan eh. Yung debate dyan, LJ Gonzalez, Hesed
Yes.
Gabo, tsaka
In terms of being the best point guard in the
Oo.
league.
Oo, so
Yes.
wala na si LJ, so eto na yung dalawa. Next!
Okay.
To, okay din to. Another Rebanse alumni.
Okay.
From Binyan, Tatak Gel.
Ayusin mo yan.
Ang introduction.
D!
Okay.
Former UST Growling Tiger. Nick Cabanero.
Yan.
Yeah!
Na napakaganda ng pinapakita this season, you know?
Even without the Rebanse effect.
Oo, even without the Revanse
Nakatulong
effect.
lang yung Rebanse effect.
He is in the running, no? According to Kuya Jao, our stats
Of
guy.
course.
One of, so far, okay? One of
Yes.
the guys in the running for MVP so far.
Yes.
So far.
Yes. And he's been doing it in limited minutes. At
Mhm.
one point, it was less than 20 minutes. Ngayon, nasa mga 22, 23 kasi medyo bumibigat na rin yung mga kalaban nila.
Wait.
Hmm.
Kailangan niya lang ayusin yung free throw niya. Nick,
Oo.
free throw mo, Nick.
Nick, free
Ayan
throws.
Ayan Okay, next.
Love ko yan si Nick. Okay, next. Eto, malapit sa puso ko to eh. Kasi sa amin to lumaki. No? Sa
Okay.
Negros Occidental to lumaki.
Mhm.
Actually, maraming bayan na gaano sa kanya. Taga saan ba talaga to, di ba? May Kabangkalan, may Himamaylan, di ko na alam minsan. Pero I am so happy he's making his first All-Star appearance as a starter
Mhm.
from the Batangas City Tanduay Athletics, John Nermal.
Woohoo!
And I'll say it again, one of the more underrated pickups this season.
Yeah.
Na hindi pinag-usapan but really has an impact at pinapakita niya at pinapakita ng team niya.
Mm.
Alam ng isang guest natin dyan, tinalo na sila.
Yes.
Okay, sorry. Sorry.
Na ngayon, teammate niya. Teammate niya ngayon.
At least,
Teammate niya.
at least ang dami ng ano dito.
Oo,
Dami ng
magkakasama.
respect dito.
Oo. Okay, next.
Okay, next. Ito. Probably, I must say, the leading MVP candidate
Yeah.
this season.
Mm.
Yes. Definitely top 3.
Top 3.
Mm-mm.
Top
Definitely.
3.
Alongside Nick Cabanero.
Yeah.
Minsan ay ubusan ka ng ano dito. You run out of words describing the way he
Adjectives.
plays.
Yeah.
Because
Tama.
Superlatives.
he's just all over the place.
Yeah.
And the way he's somehow pumasok sa conversation as an MVP candidate, and the way he's carried his team and his improvement, just incredible. No, the past few months.
Mhm.
And we had hints of that last season. Nakita
Yes.
natin yan
Yes.
sa kanya.
And Cebu is winning.
Yun talaga yun. That's really the biggest thing for me, no, na kung nadadala
Kaya
niya
ano na
Cebu.
siya, adopted Cebuano na siya. Because
Yes.
obviously, we know that he started with Pangasinan.
Pangasinan.
Mahiyain pa yan nun.
Pero ginawan ng Rebulto sa Cebu. Yung sa graphic ng
ba yun?
MPBL goes to Cebu. Sabi niya, hindi pa ako nagre-retire, Rebulto na ako. Syempre, from the Cebu greats, Mr. Mark Meneses.
Yes!
Yes, sir.
Okay. O di
Oh, yeah.
syempre,
Dapat mahaba
yung
rin
huli,
to, ha?
nandito
Ang,
na.
ang haba nung kay Meneses, wala siya rito. And ito tao to, nandito to.
Hindi nyo nga inaano si Raven unfair yun. Unfair yun, di natin na-introduce kanina.
Kaya nga,
Sige.
kumbaga sila na
Interview
mag-i-introduce
Sige,
sa
okay,
sarili
ano,
nila.
sa interview na. Sige.
Interview na natin.
Okay, so ayan na nga, in-announce na namin ang North and South na starters. Pero syempre, magkakaroon din ng second five. Tama?
Second
Yes.
five
Yes, and
and
meron pang-
2 choices ng
No.
coaches.
There
Tama
will be 7 more choices
Okay.
from the MPBL.
Yeah.
So, grabe, no?
And also, di ba, I don't know if we can say it already, but
And then,
we have a deadline for when we will know who the coach will be.
Yes, I
Okay.
think that's on August 6.
Okay.
August 6.
Sino
Dapat
mga
yun.
kandidato dyan? For example, sa South, sino ba number 1 ngayon?
So, syempre, yung
Coach
dalawang coach
Cholo.
nila. Oh.
Oh.
Coach
Diba?
Cholo,
Oh.
although Quezon kasi has less games eh.
Okay.
Oh,
But
so
it's gonna
nandyan
be
si-
determined by win percentage.
Oo.
Sa North,
Abra.
Abra, San Juan, and
Caloocan.
So, Gerson, Coach Gerson, Coach Yong.
Noy Catalan.
Coach Noy.
Consultant ko si Gerson Cabezes.
Okay. Tapos si Coach Yong. Love you.
Love you.
Coach Yong and Coach Alex. Okay. So,
Okay.
yan ang choices. Sa South, si
Ang dami
Coach...
nila.
Oo.
Ang dami nila.
Coach
si
Elvis.
Coach Elvis.
Mm.
Si Coach
Coach Eric.
Boyet.
Coach Boyet.
Coach Boy.
And Coach
Coach Cholo.
Cholo. Ang bibigat. Mabibigat.
Ang
And meron din
gulo-gulo.
di ba? Meron din Coach's Choice. Kung
Oh,
sakali.
tatlo.
Okay.
Dati isa lang yan. Yan, tatlo.
Ang daming
So,
magandang bago ngayon sa All-Star pala.
So, seven more choices from the MPBL. And
Kailan ang All-Star Day? Sabihin mo na.
August 29.
Yeah,
Punta kayo
okay.
ng Montalban, Rizal.
Oh, malapit lang.
Oo. Medyo, pag may nakita na kayong bundok doon, yun na yun.
Yun na yun. Yun na yun.
Pag umabot
yun na yun.
kayo ng Montalban, yun na yun. Pag may nakita na kayong green na medyo mataas, yun. Yun na yun.
And syempre, hindi pa natin pwedeng announce pero expect nila, syempre maraming pasabog si Sports Plus.
Oh.
Aba, syempre.
Matik yun.
Mamimigay si Ma'am Rosel ng
Oo
dyan.
nga. Walang pressure, wala siya dito eh.
Oo,
Walang
oo.
pressure.
Hi, Ma'am Rosel.
Ma'am Rosel, ikaw na bahala sa amin, ha? Gagalingan namin.
Okay, so ayan na nga, no, said Raven, obviously, I think unang All-Star nyo to, no? Pareho. Sa MPBL or last year ba? Second na pala si Raven. Si Sed, una. Okay, so unahin natin si Sed, no? Kasi nga, una mong All-Star to, syempre, nakita mo na yung mga magiging teammates mo, no? Ano bang mga thoughts mo sa kanila?
Ako excited ako makalaro sila kasi parang yung iba dyan, first time ko makasama sila.
Makasama.
So,
Kanino ka pinaka-excited dyan, no?
siguro si Nick.
Okay.
Kasi, ano
May
kami.
history.
May
Okay,
history
kwento
kami.
mo.
So, teammate ko si Nick sa UST dati ng grade
Narinig
12
niyo
ako.
yun? Saan siya galing?
Ay, nako.
UST.
Every
Go.
episode.
Tuloy.
So, kaya excited ako na makasama siya kasi hindi man kami natuloy maglaro nung grade 12 ako kasi pandemic.
Mm.
So, at least
Ngayon.
ngayon, may chance na.
Okay. Ikaw, Raven, nakita mo yung listahan, no, ng All-Star. O, anong masasabi mo sa mga teammates mo ngayon?
Excited din po ulit. Lalo na yung mga bago sila, Kimani Ladi. Sila Warlo Batak tsaka si Orlan Omar nakasama ko na rin po last year. And
Okay.
maganda din po sila kasama. And of course, si Dave. Excited po ako makalaro sila.
Guys, alam nating lahat na sports is more than just winning and losing. It's about intensity, momentum, at yung feeling na hindi mo kayang alising ang mata mo sa laro. At kung gusto mong mas maging exciting ang bawat game night, Sports Plus na yan. Easy to use, mabilis, at perfect sa mga sports fans na gustong gawing next level ang kanilang viewing experience. Register or sign up now at sportsplus.ph today. Remember, gambling can be addictive. Know when to stop. For 21 and above only. Now back to our podcast.
Okay. So, syempre, ang All-Star kasi talagang best of the best, di ba? Best of the best yan. Kumbaga,
Hindi ba papugian yan, yung All-Star?
pwede din.
I think loyalty also. Kasi,
Kasi baka may pogi na choice eh. Okay lang ba yun? Justified ba
hindi
yun?
niyo ba narinig sagot ni Raven? Kahit kay Dave, excited siya kahit araw-araw niya nakikita sa Insa.
Oo nga.
Loyal din
Kasi,
talaga. Oo.
alam mo, na ano nga ako kasi hindi sila, hindi sila na-excite na starter sila eh.
Hindi, excited yan.
Excited sila.
Excited yan.
Parang,
Oo.
Excited yan.
parang gusto ko sana,
Excited yan. Oo.
Okay. At bukod doon, pareho silang unang guest pa lang sa Rebansi ngayon. Di ba?
Yes.
Ngayon pa lang sila nandito. So medyo kilalanin muna natin. Alam ko si Raven is from Dagupan, no? Tama, doon ka lumaki sa Dagupan and then eventually you went to Lasal Green Hills. Tama? Sige, kwento mo ng konti yung journey mo sa basketball.
Okay, so parang nag-start po ako sa Dagupan, yun po yung hometown ko, and nag-graduate po ako doon till elementary. And then grade 7, lumipat po ako ng Manila to Green Hills. And then after nun, 1 year lang po ako doon, then lumipat po ako ng Zabel from grade 8 to until mag-graduate na po. And then, syempre, for college, the LSU rin.
So, kumbaga, naikutan ni Raven lahat ng Lasal campuses
Correct.
sa Maynila.
Bacolod.
Ay, oo nga pala. Hindi ka pa nakapunta ng Lasal Bacolod.
naalala ko to, no, si Raven. Ang tanong ko, Raven, anong height mo nung papunta kang Lasal Green Hills? You were mga 14 nito, di ba?
Yes
14 years
po,
old.
Grade 7. Around, I think 6'2 po, 6'3.
6'2".
Mm.
Oh.
Meron kayong experience eh. Naririnig ko kanina, nagkukwentuhan kayo sa...
Yeah.
Oh.
Hindi ko makalimutan itong si Raven. At that time, he was still young because obviously he was one of the tallest, no?
Yeah.
At that time, the junior NBA camp. And nag-strike siya talaga sa akin aside from his height because I was telling him earlier na he was one of the players that I was handling because there were so many coaches.
Okay.
And then na-impress ako talaga sa ano niya. Sa coaches kasi, we always say this on air. How would you respond to for the lack of a better word, adversity? You know, and during that camp, no, medyo hindi maganda yung simula niya. Tinawag ko yung attention niya. And binalik ko siya kagad sa loob.
Matawag ng attention.
Bakit? Tinawag ko lang yung attention niya. Okay? And then,
Uy, meron nang bumabawi para sa'yo, Joe!
Yan, Joe.
May kakampi ka ngayon.
Punta ka lagi dito
Joe, kulang pa rin kayong dalawa kahit magsama kayo.
Ah,
So, going back, no, and na-impress ako for a 14-year-old to respond that way. Kasi, pagbalik niya sa loob, sa scrimmage na yun,
Nakadunk.
dalawang dunk pa.
Ah.
And in other words, he dominated yung scrimmage na yun. Kaya, fast forward, eventually, nakalaban namin sila sa final, sa UAAP. Ayun, binigo pa kami as being a vital player for LaSalle as primarily a backup center / sometimes he would start. Ayun, natalo kami season 86.
Ayun lang.
Oo.
Alam ko,
Kaya-
Batang Gilas ka rin.
Yes
diba?
po.
Yeah.
What, can you tell me about that stint? You were with Gio Chu, the
Yes
other...
po, Jiu-Jitsu.
champion sa
Actually,
NPBL?
Dave din po, Dave
Okay.
Ildefonso. I think Batang Gilas 16 under, 2017 then na-pick din po ako dun sa 18 under. Yung kasama po sila Dave, sila Gio din po, sila Kai. And ayun, it's a great experience din for me to represent the country po.
Si Raven, no? Parang pag nakikita mo sa laro, tahimik lang, no? Hindi ganun kalakas yung... Hindi ka
Yung dating.
Oo, pero biglang namumulot lang ng bola.
20 rebounds lang naman.
Ganyan, di ba? Oo. Kumbaga, isa to sa parang si John Nermal din, yung parang tahimik.
Pang Mike Meneses.
Oo.
Yung teardrop niya parang lason minsan.
Oo,
Parang,
di ba?
kaya na naman eh.
Oo.
Naglaro ng kalaban, tapos teardrop. Ayun. Wala.
Tsaka
Nahawa
dire-diretso. Pag nasimulan si Raven sa game, tinatapos na niya ganun siya.
Arguably has one of the best, yung teardrop na yun sa big man ngayon ng MPBL.
Kwento ni Mama, nung bata pa ako, parang lagi niya na ako binibila ng bola, lagi niyang binibigay sa akin yung bola. Pero, nag-start ako sa nung grade 2 and actually, yung mag-training na, actually parang ayaw ko pa yung basketball and until na parang...
ano yung gusto mo na?
Wala.
Anong sport?
I don't know. Mag-aral.
Okay.
To hang
So,
out.
Diyos, this is a first.
Okay.
This is a first sa episode na to. Kasi kung nasusundan mo lang, yung mga previous episodes, yung mga guests namin, before mag-basketball, either nag-baseball, Jay Collado, nag-volleyball.
Oo.
Sino yung nagsepatak raw?
Si Yambing.
Si William Bing. So, nagtatayo kami ng Olympic team namin. Ngayon, ikaw ang first na nagsabi, mag-aral.
Sa Battle of the Braids to.
Battle of the Brains. Okay, sorry, go.
And ayun, and until na pilit lang sila Mama, and ayun, thankful na pinilit ako, napunta ako kung saan ako ngayon.
Shout out to Mama because
Yes.
she's always in the
Mama.
games. Your mom's name is
Ronaldin Gonzalez.
Ronaldin Gonzalez.
Ronaldin, shout out talaga. Dahil sa kwento ni Raven, pwede ko palang pilitin yung anak ko mag-basketball. Okay, pwedeng maganda pa rin ang kalabasan. Okay.
The best si Ma'am Ronald.
Oo, di ba?
Kita kits sa origami.
Oo, sa Abra,
Bagay.
no? Okay. Raven, you've been in the MPBL for 2 seasons now. How has it been so far? Ano yung pinaka, kumbaga, meron ka na bang learnings or is it too early to tell? Or how's your experience so far?
Well, syempre marami lang learnings, especially nung first season, kasama ko pa sila Kuya Mark. And Kuya Mark, one of the best mentors. There's swerte ng Rizal na nandun siya. And, ayun, syempre, actually yung main difference nung, syempre, coming from college, UAAP to MPBL, yung talagang physicality din. So, I think medyo nag-a-adapt na rin. Until now, nag-a-adapt pa rin naman po. And marami pa akong feel na marami ko pang matutunan po dyan.
Wait, I just have to say this really quickly. Because he is the third person who has already mentioned Marquis in Rebanse. The first one was kay Manny Ladi. He said that someone whispered to his ear na he is the guy to be scared of.
Yeah.
Jay Collado, who is obviously a veteran in the MPBL, also said the same thing. Even to this day, he thinks Marquis is the most physical for his age
I
group.
know where this is going.
And now
Go.
it's Raven.
So, I think it would do us justice na dapat at some point before matapos ng season na to,
I-guess si Marquis.
Marquis, we're calling you up.
Hmm.
Mag-guess dito.
Pwede ba ako magtanong?
Okay.
Of course. I mean, ba't ka nagpapaalam? Come on!
Good.
No, Raven, syempre nakikita natin yung performance mo sa court. But
Di ba?
syempre, ang ano ko doon, tanong ko kasi lagi ang nakikita ko you're always on the end of very physical play, no. Lagi kang nahahawakan, syempre laki mo na player. Yung saan nanggagaling yung calmness at yung poise mo?
Ganda.
Kasi parang
ganda.
ako talaga hindi ko siya nakikita nagagalit halos.
Walang
But
reaction yung
walang
mukha
reaction
eh.
Sobrang ganda ng composure.
Oo. Where does that come from?
I don't know actually po. Pero siguro, since elementary pa rin po kasi, ganun na rin talaga ako. Siguro the way na pinalaki rin po ako ni mama, na calm lang, ganun, kahit anong mangyari. Just be chill lang, ganun.
Walk away guy lang siya.
Very very patient and forgiving.
Yan ang gusto namin topic dito.
Teka, sports show ito Mukhang pa-transition ka eh.
May girlfriend ba si Raven?
Meron yan.
Oh, may girlfriend.
Gusto ko naman patient siya and forgiving.
Okay.
Are you a very
Generally.
patient? Generally a very patient and forgiving person.
I like to think so po.
Ganda.
Then, medyo in-elevate ko lang. May tanong din sana.
Okay. Oh my gosh. Ganto po talaga silang dalawa. Ganto talaga sila. Kahit po on air, maririnig nyo, may mga love songs pa po yan.
Raven, from what I remember, because obviously our schools have had their battles in the UAP. And I believe you had one more year, right? Sa Lasan.
Actually, 2 po.
2! Okay. So, thank you for the correction.
Okay.
So, was it because we never got wind of the real reason, no? But was it because my assumption is Abra really pursued you. Talagang niligawan ka. Was this the case of why you left LaSalle after winning a championship?
Si PJ Pilares daw talaga yung reason nun.
Di ba humawak sa kanya?
Yes, Boss
Tama?
Peach.
Boss PJ.
Who is also the agent of our very own Dwight Ramos.
And Francis Lopez.
Yeah.
Okay.
From Sports Plus.
Kasi
Okay, go.
hinihingi lagi ni Boss Peach musta stats ng Abra dyan.
Yes.
Ah.
Okay, so tell us why.
Well, I think the main reason is lang po. I feel like this MPBL was kunyari parang we decided as a family din na it will help me grow po coming into the PBA din kasi syempre the physicality and everything
Kumbaga,
po.
it's time. Ganun.
Yes po, it's time. I think na kasi technically 4 years na po ako sa college eh. Pero I still have 2 more kasi because of the pandemic. Hindi po ako na-line up nung season after pandemic. So, di ba yun po yung 2 seasons in one year.
Correct.
So, 2 years pa dapat. And I feel like it's time na rin po na to move on, na to go to another environment. And yun. And syempre nakatulong so much tong Abra sa akin. Thank you rin po sa Abra.
Tsaka siguro-
Maraming salamat din kasi to be perfectly honest, hindi ako nalungkot. Dahil nawalan kami ng pinahirapan kami nito eh.
Tsaka, baka magaling talaga manligaw si Kong JB Bernos.
Sa
Diba?
tingin ko.
Shout out sa ating
Sa
Kong
tingin
JB.
ko.
Diba? Magaling,
The best.
magaling manligaw, di ba? Na naligawan si
Napakabait
Raven.
ni Kong.
Okay, so ayan ang naging journey ni Raven. Ngayon naman si Sed, no? Alam ko, Sed, galing kang Romblon. Nagsimula ka sa Romblon, tapos napunta ka ng Manila, nag-UE ka, tapos bumalik ka ng Iloilo.
Iloilo.
Tama, sige, kwento mo yung journey mo.
Nung elementary ako, talagang volleyball player ako simula elementary.
Yun!
Volleyball player. Madadagdagan ni Olympic team natin. Sige, sorry.
Si Jay Collado. ang
Jay Collado,
volleyball player.
pangalawa siya. Okay, go.
So, nagpalaro ako dati sa elementary
Okay.
ng volleyball. Hanggang
Position.
Opposite spiker ako dati.
Spiker din.
Opposite.
Okay, okay.
Kaliwa.
oo.
Okay.
So, hanggang high school. Tapos, encourage ako ng kuya ko sa mag-ibang sport kasi mas malaking, mas maganda daw yung opportunity sa basketball kaysa sa volleyball. So, nag-try out kami sa UE noon. So, nung
Ano nang height mo nito? Curious lang ako.
yung mga 5'9" siguro.
5'9" ka pa lang.
5'9".
Ngayon,
Taon ka nun?
Mga 16 siguro, 17.
17, 5'9" ka? Ngayon, mga 6'4", 6'5" ka na, di ba?
6'5 na po.
Oh, 6'5". Oo nga.
Grabe
tsaka
nga.
late.
Yung kuya mo, matatangkad, mga matatangkad din mga kuya mo?
Opo, yung kuya ko may 6 flat. Pero ako po yung pinakamatangkad sa amin nung ngayon.
Grabe,
6'5".
kasi ngayon, 23 ka lang. No? So basically, in 6 to 7 years, ang nilaki niya, mga 6 inches.
Baka pwede rin maglaro yung mga kuya niya sa MPBL. Lalaki pala.
Sorry, go Seth.
Okay,
tuloy mo.
go.
So, nag-try out ako dun sa UE. Kaso nga lang, ang nangyari, nagkatanggalan lahat ng... naka-enroll na ako dun sa UE. So,
Okay. You were grade 11.
Grade
Naalala ko
11.
to. Okay.
So, nagkatanggalan ng coach, pati player. So, lahat wipe out.
Okay.
So, nasama ako doon.
Disbanded yung team.
Disbanded yung team.
Nangyayari yun, eh.
Oo nga, sa kulisit. No?
So, yun.
Talaga yun.
So, sinabihan ako nung coach ko sa UE noon kung pwede sa Iloilo muna ako for 1 year para mag-training or doon magpalakas bago lumipat sa Manila.
Okay. Kumusta naging journey mo sa Iloilo? Anong ginawa mo doon?
Batchoy.
Batchoy, So, mahirap kasi wala akong wala akong pamilya kahit isa sa Iloilo.
Okay.
So, nasa dorm lang ako for 1 year nung time na yon. Kaya, nung pagkatapos ng 1 year, kinuha ko ng UST nung grade 12 ako.
Teka, saan ka nag-aral sa Iloilo? Saan ka nag-ano?
Nag-aaral ako dun sa Washington College of Iloilo.
Makakalaban nyo to pagdating ka. Sa alumni league.
Excuse me.
Makakalaban.
Senior na ako noon.
Baka lang. Baka
Nung
mag-awag
sinabi nga niya yan, nung sinabi niya Wasyong, nalaglag yung puso ko. Okay.
Marami magagaling na player.
Mark
Galing.
Nonoy
Mark
din.
Nonoy din dyan. Si Mark Nonoy.
Magkasabay kayo nun? Hindi.
Hindi, ahid lang siya. Pagkapasok ko, kaka-UST niya lang.
So, gaano ka kagaling mag-Ilonggo?
Nakakaintindi lang po ako pero hindi ako marunong.
Hindi ka jutay lang.
Nakakaintindi po pero hindi ako.
Pero sasabihan na kita ngayon na in the future, I think si Bell nanonood nito, no? Para ano ka rin ni Bell. Huwag ka na maglaro sa mga alumni league. Hindi makakatulong sa career mo yan. Focus ka lang sa career mo. Okay.
Nandiyan ka lang. Okay, tapos, okay.
UST?
So, nakuha na po ako sa UST noon.
Grade 12 ka
Grade
nito.
12 ako noon. Kaso, dumating po yung pandemic.
Yes.
Okay.
Dito kayo nagkakilala ni Nick Caballero.
So yung kabatch ko yan, kaklase ko yan si Nick Caballero. So, yan yung mga kabatch ko dati sa UST. So, ang nangyari naman, pagkatapos ng grade 12 ko, so parang wala kasing pandemic kasi. So hindi ako nakuha sa UST noon. So kaya parang naghahanap ako ng ibang school. Doon naman ako nakita sa pick-up game sa Pasig ni Coach Ryan Monteclaro sa pick-up game.
Si Coach
Okay.
Ryan.
Coach Ryan.
Coach Ryan
Okay,
Monteclaro.
yeah.
Oo.
So, kayo ba ni Nick, nung nagsama kayo nito, nung grade 12, naging close ba kayo?
Naging close kami niyan ni Nick. Pumunta pa nga sa bahay yun sa Taguig dati.
Parehas ang kinakain? Kasi parehas kayong tangki.
Para sa
Ilang rice si Nick doon sa bahay?
dami din ata.
Okay, so napunta ka na ng Adamson. Naging teammate mo si Wawa.
Yan.
Yero.
Joshua Yero.
Si Yero. Tapos, yun, doon na yung career ko sa Adams. Simula.
Ang tawag pa sa kanya, sa UAAP, noong time na yun, Babyface Manzano. Kita niyo naman kung bakit. Pero,
May natawa.
si Bel ba yung natawa? Nandito pala si Bel. Okay. Pero, I could add also na even during his rookie season, napaka-impressive na nitong si Manzano. That was season 84, no? Nag-resume ang UAP after pandemic. He was not only giving us, but I think I could speak for Raven, even Lasal and the other teams, a problem.
Yeah.
Being the main man there.
Ngayon,
Kasama sila Stimosa.
Ngayon, problema na talaga ni Raven si Sed. Maglalaban sila sa All-Star eh.
Correct.
Okay. At syempre, dumating na nga to si Sed sa MPBL.
Magtatanong ulit.
Sige, go.
Kasi,
Go.
Ano lang. Kasi, ngayon na nasa pro ka na, no, bihira lang kasi na nakikita ko na yung coach mo nung college, magkakasama pa rin kayo pagdating pag-apak mo ng pro.
Coach
And
Nash Racela.
Coach Nash Racela, shout out to you, hindi pa tayo nag-golf. But yun nga yung tanong ko, no? Gagano kalaking influence si Coach Nash sa buhay mo on and off the court?
Grabe yan si Coach na siya. Hindi lang sa court kanya tuturuan about life, pati din sa labas kung ano yung gagawin mo pagkatapos ng career mo. So, kaya pinili ko siya nung pro ako kasi alam kong hindi na ako mahihirapan kasi si Coach Nash na yung, si Coach Nash sa team na yun.
Speaking of pinili, ito na naman ang mga chismis na alam ng Mika. Alam natin, tayong tatlo, natin na hindi lang Quezon ang kumukuha kay Sed Manzano.
No.
No, madami.
Ano kaya yung isang team, ano?
Hindi,
kaya
kasi
yun?
dati kasi, noong December, ang balita ko December,
Okay.
galing lang ni...
Hindi fake news to.
Hindi fake news to.
Okay.
Nandun ako sa Abra nung December.
Abra? Bakit
Okay.
ba nabanggit ang Abra?
Nandun ako sa Abra.
Oh.
Nag-MC ako na victory
May
party.
kinalaman pa sa Abra Weavers ito?
Nag-MC ako sa victory party nila. Kakagaling namin. Nag-champion ng SEA Games.
Okay.
Sa isang guest natin dito.
Oo.
May
Uy,
champion.
yung introduction pala. Yeah. Gold medal.
Gold
Okay.
medalist. Okay.
Hmm.
Tapos naglaro siya dun sa naglaro ka dun sa
Doon po
sa intertown nila.
Ayun, naglaro po ako doon.
Okay.
Sila kasama yung isang player niyo sa UP.
Sino yan? Kilala ko na.
Oh, di ba?
Pero hindi pa nagpa-pro yun. May
Hindi
isang
pa
taon pa yun.
hindi pa
Shout out
nagpo-pro.
Ray Remogat.
Hindi, isa pa.
BJ
May isa pa?
Si nakaganito. Letter V. Letter V. Oh,
Ako hindi ko
BJ.
maisip. Sino yan?
V.
BJ Pre.
Galing
Tama. Si BJ Pre.
Yun nga, no? May link ka na dun eh. Kumbaga may connection ka na dun sa Abra eh.
Opo.
Kamusta yung experience mo dun sa dun? And then yung decision mo, pag-weigh mo ng decision mo to go to Quezon.
Ako naman po kasi parang kung sino naman yung kumausap sa akin, willing naman po ako makinig sa lahat ng
Pero syempre, malapit nga sa puso niya si Coach Nash.
willing.
Yung naging
isa sa
matimbang
naging
yun.
deciding
Oo,
factors
oo.
talaga.
Siguro naging mas matimbang lang kay Coach Nash kasi siya yung kung asan ako ngayon siguro.
Yeah.
Kaya
Ganda.
kaya siguro pinili ko pa rin si Coach Nash.
At napaganda pa sa All-Star natin this season dahil magkalaban na sila ni Raven. Kung
Yeah.
hindi, magkakampi pala sila.
Just to parang segundahan yun.
Okay.
Si Coach Nash, matagal ko na kasama yan. High school pa lang kilala ko na.
Mm.
The same thing when the story I was telling earlier, na when I was choosing where to play nung college.
Yeah.
Si Coach Nash was one of the people na nung time na yun na I was consulting with. And si Coach Eric.
Okay.
Kasama si Coach Gun.
Okay, yeah.
So yun. So kumbaga, it's a testament to Coach Nash of how he is, not only as a coach, but even as an advisor and as a mentor.
Mm-mm.
Yeah.
Okay. So, yun na nga, magkalaban na sila. Hindi na sila naging mag-teammates. No?
Mhm.
Pero so far said, with the Quezon Huskers, kumusta ka? Obviously, one of the top teams of the South, no? Kumusta ka? Sino yung mga, napag-usapan natin to kanina, sino yung mga nagiging ka-close mo na teammates mo? Kamusta kayo? Kumusta ka dun as a Husker?
Sobrang thankful ako kasi doon ako napunta siguro. Kahit sa team naman na naging kasama ko sila, naging bonding kami doon. So okay naman yung mga player, yung coaching staff, pati yung mga management. Nagpapasalamat ako kasi hindi kami pinapabayaan doon. So thankful lang ako kasi naging part nila ako.
Nakwento mo sa akin to sa isang game na nagiging close ka kay Will Macaloni, no? Kay Mike Cañete, mga kuya mo na big man. Kasi inaano nila to pag nasa dugout, sinasabi nila na running big nga to kasi si Sed. Sinasabi ni Will tsaka ni Mike, sa kanila daw niya nakuha yung pagiging
Okay.
big.
Okay.
Yan ang biruan nila
Masipag tumakbo, mag-rim run. Yung
Oo.
basketball
Pero for the
terminology.
two of you, I guess, gusto nila malaman, pagpasok nyo ng MPBL, nasa contender team kayo agad, no? So, kumbaga, gaano kalaking bagay yun sa inyo na, alam mo yun, yung pressure, yung challenge na to show everything you've got. Dahil ikaw, pasok ka agad sa Abra, pasok ka agad sa Quezon. Ikaw muna,
Si Joe
Sed.
ba kasama nila?
Ay, sa
Hindi.
this season?
This season. Hindi.
Wait.
Left the group.
Remember, Joe is an MPBL champion.
Yeah, sorry.
MPBL champion yan.
Put
Joe-
some respect on
Put
his name.
some respect.
Oo.
Suot ba ang
Okay.
sing-sing ngayon? Hindi. Minsan sinusuot niya yan
Sinusuot
eh.
niya.
Isang beses lang yun. Grabe.
Isang beses.
Oo.
But this
Pero
year,
Joe, ang difference ngayon, yung katabi mo may sing-sing din yan.
Wala pa.
Oo nga.
Hindi pa na nabibigay.
Ay, hindi ka na nabibigay.
Kayo naman eh! Kasira kayo eh! Direct pakikap po yun. Kasira.
ibibigay pala. Dadating
Kahit
naman.
Dadating
Dadating
naman.
naman.
Kahit kailan.
Ceremony yun. May ceremony.
Okay,
May ceremony.
But jokes,
Special yun.
jokes aside, for you, Raven, since you're in a team na people are looking forward to beat, and I know in Abra, they don't want to lose. Alam mo naman yun na you cannot make mistakes and like, kasi dati, nag-Abra din ako eh. Kung matalo ka, papalitan ka eh. Something like, may parang ganun na feeling eh. So,
Okay.
nag-champion na kayo and I'm sure na this year gusto niyo ulit mag-champion. Ano yung feeling na every game hindi kayo matalo? Or like, how does it feel to be in a team na people are looking forward to beat?
Well, syempre, yung pressure naman, it's always nandyan eh. Syempre, yun yan, sinasabi niya na we're a team to beat. I feel like hindi namin masyado iniisip yun and we focus more on, kunyari, every game, we respect our opponent and ayun. And actually syempre yung pressure, since last year kasi hindi kami natalo, but yung San Juan, natalo kami and feel ko parang medyo na-lift yung pressure nun. Yung konti lang naman. Pero syempre kasi with a team like Abra, yun nga, like what you said na when you win and nananalo ka talaga, syempre expect nila you to continue that, to win. So parang yung talo na yan, if matalo talaga, parang syempre like na parang yun, hindi ka nila expect na matalo nga. And ayun, basta we coming into each game, we respect our opponents lang and do what we're na yung mga pinractice namin.
Follow up lang ako dun sa question ni Joe. Obviously, this season is one of the strongest seasons, no, of the MPBL.
Most talented ones.
Yes.
That's for sure.
Or maybe the strongest season of the
Yeah.
MPBL. Did you feel immediately that difference entering season 8, no? Yung Abra in general, kayong Weavers in general, did you feel that na, nako, iba tong season
Mas
na to
mahirapan kayo.
compared to last year?
Yung honest na.
Yes po, for sure.
Oo.
Yes.
Ika-counter ko lang.
Oh,
Sila din naman lumakas eh.
tama.
Oo.
Parang hindi mo rin kumbaga, yung ibang team lumakas.
Oo.
Diba? Kasi nung nag-Abra nga recently, yung homecoming nila,
Yeah.
I saw the team from last season.
Yeah.
And then the team now.
Yeah.
It's definitely more talented.
Yes.
And this is no knock to the previous version of the Abra team, but talagang
Yeah.
sobrang loaded talaga nila
Yeah.
this
Huwag
season.
na tayo lumayo. Ito, nandito na eh. Naglaban na sila eh.
Oo.
Nung June, yung bago nilang player, sino yung gumawa kalaban kayo, Seth?
Si Fenner. Yung,
DJ Fenner. Ilan ang ginawa? 32? Parang gano'n.
31
Yeah.
points.
Diba? So, yung bagong player nila, ay rookie, technically in our league. But
So, kumbaga, ang
is
sinasabi
really the
ni
most
Fidel,
experienced player.
Yeah. Lumakas ang teams, pero lumakas din sila eh.
Lumakas
So,
din
ganun
sila.
din.
No, wala
Kumbaga,
rin.
Oo, nag-balance out din talaga. Okay. Kayo said, ikaw, marami na kayong nakalaban din na strong teams eh. Sorry, pero nakalaban nyo na ang Batangas, di ba? Kalaban nyo na ang Abra. Sa Thursday, makakalaban nila ang San Juan.
San
Today is
Juan.
Monday.
Mm.
Kumbaga ikaw, dahil bagong salta ka sa MPBL eh, no? So far, kanino ka pinaka na-challenge na sa mga matchup ng big man? Sa mga nakalaban mo na?
Siguro yung na-match na talaga ako sa yung Sabra kasi dami nilang bigs eh. So, pagtutulungan ka din talaga nila. So, doon talaga ako na-challenge sa kanila na kung ano yung gagawin ko sa sitwasyon na yun. Kasi dapat maging mautak ka eh. Hindi lang puro katawan yung iisipin mo doon. Kung paano may counter yung mga ganong scenario.
Anong klaseng mga masahe? Shiatsu kay Batino o Swedish kay Raven ang nakuha mo nung larong yon o mixed?
Mix yung natanggap ko doon eh kasi pinagtutulungan nila ako eh.
Oh.
Sinasabi mo nga kanina, di ba, dun sa prod room, anong tawag natin kay Batino? Siya ang
Pinaka, the best insurance
Insurance
policy. Silang dalawa ni John Oduba.
Yes, that's right.
Yeah.
That's right.
May, ako kasi gusto ko ipupush ko talaga eh. Dapat may John Oduba Award.
Yeah.
For the best role player in the MPBL.
Yeah.
Wow, named
Ganda
after
nun.
him.
Oo.
Named
Sa kanya,
after him.
sa
Grabe ka.
Oo.
Buhay pa.
Oo.
Gusto mo nang
Si Mark
iparitiro.
Meneses ka, may revolto dun sa
Oo.
sa poster.
Ganun. May
Hindi.
career pa. Gusto
Tama.
mo nang paritiro.
Hindi. I just, it's
Alfred
just,
Batino has been with the MPBL since
I think
Nag-ano siya,
Bataan.
PBA.
Bataan siya eh. Nag-start siya.
Basilan pa siya, di ba? Hindi.
No. I think
hindi ba?
Bataan siya. Tagal-tagal na rin yan.
Partner, brother, friend, do not worry. Pag nawala ka na sa MPBL, magkakaroon tayo ng CPT Award. Pero mawala ka muna.
Mga karibanses, saglit lang. Alam nating lahat na mas exciting manood ng sports kapag dikit ang laban, clutch ang moments, at bawat possession may kaba. Pero alam mo kung anong mas exciting? Kapag mas invested ka sa bawat play with Sports Plus. Sports Plus is your go-to sportsbook kung gusto mong mas maramdaman ang thrill ng bawat game, whether basketball, volleyball, or your favorite matchups, pwede mong subukan ang sports instincts mo anytime, anywhere. If you're ready to level up your sports experience, register or sign up at sportsplus.ph today. Remember, gambling can be addictive. Know when to stop for 21 and above only. Now back to our podcast.
Okay. So, napag-usapan na natin ang kung bakit sila stars, no? Napag-usapan na natin kung bakit sila stars dito sa MPBL at kung bakit sila deserving, no? Mapunta sa All-Star Game. Pag-usapan natin, syempre, ito ang pinaka-aabangan. Syempre, alam na ni Raven to, tsaka ni Joe. Ito ang pinaka-aabangan na event talaga taon-taon sa MPBL kasi the best of the best ay nagsasama-sama, no? Isang beses, isang araw sa buong taon.
Tsaka hindi ito tambakan, ha? Like yung last year lang, we were witness to that na down the wire, competitive, no? And then marami pang mga events.
Oo. So, i-remind lang natin sila, once again, ang makakasama ni Raven sa North ay si Kimani Ladi, si Orlan Wamar, si Batak, no? At saka si, tama ba?
Dave.
Si Dave. Okay, ang makakasama ni Sed, si Mark Meneses, si John Nermal, si Nick Cabanyero, tsaka si Hesed Gabo. So, pag-usapan natin, no, kayong dalawa, bilang kayo ang panel, sigurado, sa araw na yun.
Nun?
Ha?
Hindi ka pa parte nun?
Panel, courtside ako.
Okay.
Okay.
Sige na.
Pag-usapan natin, fearless forecast, di ba? Kumbaga, gaano kalakas para sa'yo, Boss CPT ang North at ang South, ikaw din, Coach Christian, ano bang nakikita niyong sa matchup na to?
Ako, yung South talaga usually very short on size, you know.
Okay, okay.
It's been that way since I think the MPBL started because nung bago yung Abra, there was a Pampanga team that had Justin Baltazar na marami ring, you know, yun yung cornerstone ng kanilang ng kanilang lineup lagi.
Yeah.
Oo.
And
Pero parang malakas naman ang backcourt ng South. Kasi si LJ, diba?
may pambawi
Ayun,
na
may
naman.
Gabo, oo.
But ang matchup kasi per player, mas ngayon, I think mas balancing ngayon. Mas
I agree.
Very balanced, and each player or each in each position I think has an advantage on the other naka-match up niya. No, in the same way na meron but
napag-isipan.
So ano nga, North o South?
Tsaka alam ko ayaw din magpatalo ng parehong team yan.
Oo.
Kasi alam mo isa pa.
Politiko to.
Alam mo bakit?
Okay, Congressman.
Wala na kasi si Ma'am Rosel eh.
May price.
May price eh.
May
May
price.
price. Hindi ko na sasabihin pero malalaman nyo na lang yan.
Teka lang, bago natin pag-usapan yung price sa All-Star, gusto lang natin sabihin, syempre pag may guest sila dito, may price din sila eh. Di ba? Kaya pag gines sa mga All-Star, wag na kayong hihindi. Kasi may konting price din kayo pag nag-best guest kayo sa Ribadse, di ba?
Tama!
Okay.
Ako? Dahil malapit ang puso ko sa South ako.
Okay.
Okay. O, ikaw,
Prove
Coach
me
Christian.
wrong, North.
Kung
Tsaka
JB
defending champ.
na nasa Abra sa North, narinig niyo yun.
Okay.
Ano lang naman to? Show lang naman to. Kayo naman, no? Ano lang to eh. Kunwari lang to, show lang.
Okay. Okay, there's a saying, it's always about being consistent. I'll be consistent. Ang mga guests natin ngayon, from Lasal, from Adamson.
Okay.
Okay. Wala naman taga-UP dun sa 10 yun.
Okay.
Okay. Dahil si Nick Cabañero ay nasa South, magsa-South ako.
Okay.
Oh my God.
Joe, ikaw.
Patay tayo pag tayo nag-cover nito. Baka bawat shoot ni David Deponso.
Babariling ka.
Oo.
Ikaw, Joe.
Hindi ako may tiwala ako sa North. Feel ko North mananalo.
Ni Joe yung totoo. Binabalansin mo lang eh. Feeling ko yung puso mo, South din.
Nasa North ang team ni Joe eh. Ngayon.
Yun na nga yung punto ko eh.
Hindi, pero
Ang tanong, nasaan sa North yung team niya?
Hindi, pero
Go.
biased ako kay Warlo Batak eh. Kasi, alam mo, galing sa...
He's your guy.
Yeah, he worked his way up. He wasn't a price
Ganda.
recruit.
Ganda rin ang sagot ni
He
Joe.
wasn't that guy na sikat na out of college. And he worked his way. So, North talaga.
So Mix, ikaw na lang ang pag-asa. 2-1 na.
Excuse
so far.
me, ako nag-host ng show ngayon. Okay, so hindi ako parte ng decision making. Okay, so this is the last event of the night. Diba? Let's talk about the other events, although we will surprise them with a list of who are part of it. I think I saw the list, parang ang una is yung executive game.
Oo.
Okay?
Ayun yung pinaka-abangan
Ayan ang
talaga.
pinaka-aabangan. Sino
Aabangan.
defending champion dyan kaka-MVP?
South yata si Kaiser Galvez.
Ayan, si Kaiser
Dapat
Galvez.
talaga, hindi na yan naglalaro dyan eh.
Pero meron na ba tayong mga alam ko si Jaggy.
Kasi
taon-taon.
lilipat na si Kaiser sa North.
Okay, kasi
Kasi
nandun
may
ang may
kawayan.
May kawayan.
Pero di ba si Jaggy Gregorio palagi yan naglalaro for Quezon eh?
Oo.
Diba?
Mm.
Sa South. O, sino
Oo.
pa ba yung mga part ng executive? Alam ko si Merman. No?
naglalaro
Ayan,
din.
naglalaro din.
Si Boss Chris ba? Nalaro?
Depende.
Depende.
Junos man, naglalaro din yan.
Junos man.
Pero abangan
San Juan.
natin kung...
Ryan Cruz ng LGR.
Ay, naalala ko, si Boss Ryan last
Oo.
season, no? Oh. Pero abangan-
Wala tayong uniforme.
Abangan natin because in the past seasons, our founder, Boss Manny Pacquiao, would join the executive game. Tignan
Yes.
natin, malay natin, no?
Oo.
Kapag nalibre si Boss Manny, one of the best 3-point shooters of the executive game.
Agree.
Diba?
Mabibigla
Na
ka
walang
na.
gustong magbantay.
Oh.
Walang gustong dumepensa.
Hindi kasi baka ma-job sila eh.
Pero matanong ko lang, sa season 9, baka naman pwedeng meron na ring panel division.
Yun.
No? Kasi, kailangan naman namin makita yung mga talents. So, puro kayo salita eh. Wala ba
Ay,
tayong
grabe.
gagawing category na
Alam mo, Mix,
The production.
mag-iingat ka sa mga sinasabi mo.
bakit?
Be careful of what you wish for.
Meron tayong one banal sa panel. Di ba? Why not?
Alam mo, Mix. Medyo, ano yan eh.
Sensitive issue to.
Sensitive issue
Lalo
yan
na
eh.
bang mga 40 above na at marami
Oo.
ng daing sa katawan.
Baka pickleball na lang.
Pigil mo na lang.
But, hindi. I think yung All-Star talaga this year, me personally, since this is the, eighth season na natin, parang, dinadagdagan na natin. Yung from an organizer's perspective kasi, hindi talaga, to me, parang natatapos natin, feeling ko, minsan, parang may kulang.
Okay.
Parang hindi pa rin perfect. Alam mo
Okay.
yan? Kailangan dagdagan.
Let me just butt in para sa mga viewers natin. Obviously, nakikita nyo si Sedef Tupas o kasama namin sa panel. Hindi lang po yun ang ginagawa niya.
Yeah.
Kumbaga sa gamit, sa Tagalog, Swiss knife po ito. Swiss knife.
Tawag nga ni
Okay.
CJ na ating producer dito.
The legend.
Pagpasok dito ng Sedef Tupas, sabi,
Ano?
bigyan po ng upuan ang legend.
The legend.
Okay.
Swiss knife po ito. Marami po itong mga hinahandle, whether maganda o mga crisis management. Ito po. Okay.
Siyempre, working together alongside Commissioner Emer.
Correct.
Yeah, yung,
Emer.
actually, si Com Emer, he wants to innovate. He really wants the freshness.
Yes.
Very dynamic and very Very flexible, very open to
Yeah.
to fresh ideas.
Yeah.
Kudos to him, and to you guys
Of-
for the Cebu Legends.
Of course.
In Cebu, first time yata
Tapos
nagawa
may
yan.
advisor pa din si si Com Emer
Oh.
Oh,
na wala dito sa show.
okay.
No? Actually may isa siyang matinding advisor na hindi ko napapangalanan ko na lang bibigyan ko na lang initials. CPL yung kanya initials.
Excuse me.
Oh my gosh, oo nga.
Hindi mo ako advisor. Okay.
So
CPL and CPT. Okay,
So-
okay.
So yung goal really is to
Yeah.
give fans a really good show. Alam mo, grateful din ako talaga sa Sports Plus.
Naka-blue. Naka-blue.
Very
Ah.
grateful ako sa Sports Plus because they're coming in as pretty much the sponsor of this event. May mga surprises pa yan na maliban pa sa game na mangyayari. Malay mo, kumanta at sumayaw si Madam, di ba? Yung clutch time challenge, baka mag-level up, di ba? Na marami nang nabigyan ng premyo.
Yes.
So, we're really pulling out all the stops to make this
It's a collective effort.
the memorable.
And syempre, kasama dyan ng slam dunk kung bakit the main reason kung bakit pinaupo natin si Joe GDL dyan.
You know, slam dunk.
Okay.
It's low key. Alam ko kasi yung slam dunk medyo it sometimes takes a back seat to the 3-point shootout because let's face it, ang dami talaga magaling na shooters.
Especially ngayon, may one-on-one na.
May one-on-one pa. But I think the dunk contest is coming back
Yeah.
this year.
Shout out. Dahil
Kunin
pag-usapan nyo, ano lang natin ng saglit, no? Dahil pag-usapan nyo, kasali nga ang 3-point shootout. Hindi pa natin napag-uusapan at all. Defending champion, Mark Cruz.
Mark Cruz.
Of the Jensen
the
Warriors.
Ant-Man.
Obviously, kasali siya.
Kasali siya.
Andyan din si Orlando Mamar. Okay,
Oh.
go ahead.
Let's give him a chance to comment. Dahil I believe, Joe, isa ka sa mga participants this year. No, as a former slam dunk king. Ano ba pwede namin ma-expect sa'yo?
I don't wanna, syempre, surprise na lang.
Ah,
Pero
surprise.
at the same time, I saw, the people who are gonna play against. I like it better na, kasi a lot of them are Philam eh. I noticed, and these guys are genetically athletic. And I feel like that's what's gonna make it more of a show. Rather than it's just 1-2 guys putting with the props, the dunks. And I think it's something to look forward to.
Generally more exciting.
Kailan mo nalaman nakasali ka?
Last week.
Last week. So, ang tanong ko, anong ginawa mo after that? Are you prepping for it? Or handa ka na even before? Ini-expect mo ba to na
Let's
kasali ka?
Let's not broadcast those things.
Ah,
Okay.
Let's just see on the
Ayaw mo
day.
Tingnan na
Pascal.
lang natin.
Ayaw
Tingnan na lang
mag-Pascal.
natin. Okay, so to wrap up this kwentuhan about the All-Star, Boss Delf, please help us invite the
Yeah.
MPBL fans, no?
Okay.
Pakisabi kung kailan, kung saan, anong
buong
oras.
buwan ng August. Okay, buong buwan ng August. Manood kayo ng Rebanse because it's going to be filled with all-stars. And who knows, no, we might make more announcements here, just like this one. No, we are announcing we announced the starters here. Most likely may mga iba pa na i-announce dito. So August 29, wag niyo kalimutan, Inares Center in Montalban, Rizal. It's a very, very nice venue. Bring your jackets or hoodies.
Yes, malamig.
No?
Oo.
Malamig doon. And it's really I think the fan zone na bubuuin din ng Sports Plus would be very good as well. No?
May bububulong, napipressure daw siya.
And it's a weekend. Sabado
It's a
yan,
weekend.
di ba?
Sabado
Sabado yan.
yan.
Oh.
Sabado yan, pwede kayong gabihin.
Oo,
Yes.
Hindi ko naman
tama.
sinasabi na alas 9 tayo magsisimula ng All-Star Game. Ha? Pero
Which
kung
has happened in the past.
excuse me,
Tinawid natin.
12:30
12:30.
nag-start, okay?
Oo.
But people were there.
Pero ingat ka lang, hindi makarelate yung iba. Kaya, okay, go.
Grabe. So, but seriously, this is going to be the best All-Star Saturday yet for MPBL, August 29.
Yes.
Okay, excited na. Siyempre, Sed, Raven, maglalaro kayo doon. Help us invite the fans. Sed, go ahead.
Manood po kayo sa Albanse ngayong August. Pati din po sa MPBL, sana po wag kayong magsawang sumuporta each game at sa darating na All-Star.
Okay, thank you. Said, Raven.
Ayun, ini-invite ko po kayong lahat, lalo na mga taga Rizal po na pumunta po sa All-Star Game namin sa mga iba pang activities and hopefully we see you there po.
Huling tanong, Mix,
Mm.
para sa kanilang dalawa. Dahil last year sila naglaban sa finals.
Okay.
Sa tingin nyo ba, kayo rin ang magkikita ngayong season 8?
Oo naman, syempre.
Yes.
Uy! Diretso sagot yun. Raven?
Yes po.
Okay. And
Narinig niyo yun, ha? San Juan, ng ibang team. Okay.
Okay. And now, Coach Chris, Joe, Sudelf, let's start with a quick recap with our featured games, starting off with the July 24 games.
Umpisa
Go
na
ahead.
natin with our
Ikaw.
special.
This is
Yes.
ito yung pinaka nakakatawa. Kasi hindi talaga ako nanood ng game lately.
Okay.
Go.
may matrabaho ko. Okay, Binyan 90, Ilagan Isabela 69. I saw part of this game. I think it was quite a close game in the first half, and then second half was a totally different story. Especially si Nick Cabanero taking over. Fourth quarter, talagang bumulusok itong Binyan.
Sino?
Nick Cabanero, the former USD
Oh my
Growling Tiger.
goodness.
Okay.
But really,
Sino best player nung game na yun?
Nick Cabanero also.
Ah.
But really, right now, Binyan, scary.
Yeah.
13-game winning streak.
Yes.
Scary. This is the longest winning streak of their franchise.
I will add, no?
Scary because they're gonna be facing off on Saturday.
Saturday.
Yes.
It's a game to look for. I will add, no? Dahil South pinili natin, I'm gonna put myself on a limb here because I think it's gonna be worth it. All-Star MVP, Nick Cabanero. There you go. I said it.
Okay. Okay. Pero bago ang All-Star, pupunta muna ang MPBL sa Ilagan. Okay?
Okay,
So
August
we
8.
are going there
August 8.
on August 8. So, babawi ang Ilagan Isabela Cowboys dyan sa August 8. So, ang mga kalaban nila?
May Kawayan Marilao.
Ang
So
ganda
it's
rin na laro.
it's a big game for parang kasi nakikita ko top 3 should be, alam na natin eh.
Yeah.
But number 4 in the north is going to be a dogfight.
Yes.
Yes.
Grabe yan. Ang dikit-dikit yan eh.
May Kawayan
Kung nasaan
Marilao.
lang nandun ang Ilagan.
May Kawayan Marilao, Pasay, Ilagan,
Quezon City.
Quezon City, Pasig,
Valenzuela.
Mm.
Yeah.
Valenzuela.
Tasty.
Ano pa yan? Hindi pa natin alam yan kung ano mangyayari dyan.
Okay, go ahead.
Okay, Batangas versus Rizal, 76-66 ang panalo ng Batangas in a highly competitive matchup. Batangas City hit full throttle down the stretch to pull away from a resilient Rizal squad, clinging to a narrow 5-point lead late in the fourth quarter. Batangas unleashed a critical 12-2 scoring run to build an insurmountable 75-60 cushion. The victory marked their 13th ba sabi mo sabihin yan? Same din with Batangas. 13th consecutive win, firmly solidifying their hold on the top spot in the South Division. Sino ang best player? One of their great pickups, okay? Ino Comboy, the former FEU standout, 25 points, 10 rebounds, almost 50% from downtown. Rebanse effect, maybe when we guested them, maybe 6-8 weeks ago. At that time,
He was just
5-7 game
announced
winning
today.
streak. Diba?
He's the player of the week, by the way.
Yes.
Ino
That
Comboy.
was
Ino
just
Comboy.
announced today on
Player of
the
the week.
MPBL Instagram
Yeah.
account. Yeah. Okay. Recap of July 25 games. Go ahead, Joe.
Cebu 108 and Pasig 86. The Cebu bounced back from a consecutive home losses with an overwhelming offensive showing against the Pasig City. Although Cebu trailed by 3 points after the opening period, they unleashed a massive 34-scoring barrage in the third quarter to establish a commanding 23-point lead heading into the fourth. Arvin Baitong punished his former teammate down to the stretch, preserving the blowout and keeping Cebu firmly entrenched in top 4 of the South Division.
This is a bounce back victory. Tama ba? After their, the Cebu.
The Cebu takeover.
The Cebu takeover, yung dalawang talo nila, especially the first one. That was a close one against Binyan.
Yeah.
Diba?
Medyo masakit yun.
Oo.
Talo na
So, bounce back performance to in a massive way, winning by 22 against a playoff team in Pasig.
Okay. Imus versus Marikina in a tightly contested high-scoring shootout. Imus pulled off a thrilling 2-point escape to notch their third win of the season. The Shoemasters stumbled in the crucial home stretch by missing 6 of their 9 free throws, cracking the door wide open for an Imus comeback. Noel Santos. Ito yung 5-time NBL ano yata yung sa Taguig Generals.
I remember.
Oh, yeah.
Parang nireport mo to eh.
Yeah, Noel Santos delivered a stellar all-around performance to capitalize on those late-game charity misses, steering Imos to a 110-108 victory.
Solid
To be
to.
fair, nice game.
Solid tong Noel Santos na to.
Oo. Yeah, kasama niya si Padua, di ba? Sa Imos, tsaka si Belenchon.
At this point of the season, yung mga team na tulad ng Imus, Bacolod, di ba? Medyo hindi na meaningful yung games which sa mga players tulad ni Noel Santos could be meaningful habang nanonood yung ibang teams for Season 9.
And while they're still in the season.
Correct.
Okay, go ahead.
And now, it's time for our Rebanse Player of the Week. Let's start with you, Joe.
I'm gonna have to go with Orlan Womar. I mean, the game was just so beautiful, and what he did during the overtime period, took over, made all his like threes, even like from distance. So I'm gonna give it to him.
Ako,
Ikaw, Mix.
I will give it to Ino Comboy.
Mm-hmm.
I mean, that game just proved that was his season high, and also in a Batangas Tanduay Athletics jersey, first time. Grabe yung game na yun eh. Although Jolo Mendoza also did well in that game, nagbakbakan sila ng mga tres nun against Rizal. Pero yung ginawa kasi ni Ino nung game din, although expected yung mga tres niya, talagang he really showed the Batangueños that it deserves to be a Tanduay Athletic. So Delph, who is your player of the week?
I'm gonna go with Sean Argente.
Bakit?
Tama.
Okay, it's
Hindi,
not
alam ko kung bakit.
no, my question is kasi it's not on Argente. Player of the week si Comboy, di ba kayo nagde-decide nun? Hindi. Okay, I wanna make that clear. Okay, go.
So my
go.
vote is Sean Argente. Kita mo, may código pa.
Okay.
So si Argente talaga.
Sinisend ko to sa pumipili.
Correct. Okay.
Sinisigurado ko na may alam niya kung sino at bakit ang kanyang
So
pili.
to make it clear to our viewers, yung mga ganitong player of the week, hindi lang isang tao pumipili yan. That's what I'm trying to establish here. Kumbaga, it's a group of people. And then obviously it's like a vote system. It's a vote
But
system.
mostly influenced.
Hindi naman.
Okay, no. Hindi ako pumunta ron.
Okay, go ahead.
Yeah,
Defend your case.
Yeah, I'm going for Sean Argente. If you watch that Pasig versus Mekawayan Marilao game, big implications for the playoffs. You know,
Super.
play in or play off ka dun eh. Kung
Correct.
yun eh, yung game na yun. And Mekawayan was down and out. 14 points down.
In the last 2 minutes?
In the last 3 minutes.
3 minutes.
Yeah, 3 minutes.
Last 3 minutes. Okay, let's say.
Parang 16.
Yeah, it was 16 in the fourth. Pero
okay.
14 na lang siya in the last few minutes. Pwedeng, na yun eh. No, pwede na silang, they could have
won the game.
They could have gotten Pasig, just needed a couple of stops. No, and then
Warlo Batoc's doing well.
Okay na sana yun. But, Sean Argente with 2 3-pointers, a layup down the stretch. AJ Miranda was actually the spark that comeback. But Argente hit the big shot. You remember that game we covered also in Pasay?
Okay. Yes, si Argente rin
Si
yun.
Argente.
Kalaban
Same,
Valenzuela.
almost the same
Kalaban Valenzuela.
play na nakita namin on that on the final seconds by Coach Jonathan Banal. Ang galing.
Yeah.
Ito yung night-night ni Argente.
Night-night.
Tayo
Nasabi
pala
ko,
yun, tayo nag-cover.
night-night, nasabi ko, 39 seconds pa, ang aga pa mag-night-night.
Oo nga.
Buti na lang.
Siya ang
Buti na
nag-best player.
Buti lang, nanalo sila.
Buti na lang. But, wow, Sean Argente, grabe yung pag-thrive niya dito sa Mekawayan Marilao and working with AJ Miranda. Ganda ng kombinasyon na yun.
Okay.
Good pickup. Shout out to Boss Kaiser.
Yeah.
Your friend.
Yeah. I respect that.
Okay.
Okay.
Ikaw na.
Unfortunately,
may kodigo no? Ang bayan.
Unfortunately, I think it has to be, for the first time in 16 episodes, Joe, I'm gonna have to agree with you. Orlan Womar, para sa akin.
Okay.
22 of his 25 points in the fourth quarter and in overtime. In a game which I covered, no? Kami ni Juanito yata yan. Talo na ang San Juan nun, yung tema ng laro, talo na. Valenzuela played great. At some point, my heart was cheering for Valenzuela because si Olegario, napakahusay ng laro yun, kakatapos na mag-guest dito sa atin, Mix. Pero si Orlan Womar, napakagaling niya. That was a game-saving game na kung saan one player really saved the day for them. Patrick Sleet, by the way, was a top scorer before the 25. But he fouled out about the 5-6 minute mark of the fourth. But Orlan Wamar, 22 of the 25 points in the fourth and overtime period. 8 of 12 sa 3 points.
Okay. Talaga ako no? Magano talaga kami nito
Oo.
Okay.
Nag-showdown.
Kontrapelo.
Nag-showdown talaga kami dito
May pang-rebanse ka ron? Ha?
Valenzuela had no business keeping up with San Juan.
That's exactly my point.
Yeah. So that's why they shouldn't have been put in that position. They should have taken care of business earlier.
Great point, but nangyari. They were put in that position. It happened, but Wamar happened. Okay.
Sige. Let's,
Okay.
I just want to put it out there.
Okay.
I just want to put
Teka
it
lang
out
pwede bang dumating to dito paminsan-minsan? Gusto ko tong nagre-rebansihan Gusto ko to Gusto ko to.
there. Mike Phillips pala. Mike Phillips.
Ilang rebounds yun per game?
Mga 8 and they're losing. It's not just the rebounding.
Yeah,
actually.
yeah.
Medyo lahat
The
Yung
motor.
intangibles So
Yeah.
nawalan ng problema kahit paano, di ba, Sed? Medyo nawalan siya ng problema. So, but of course, yung
Aldrich.
culture.
Yeah, pero may mga Aldrich Ramos.
Yeah, may paparay pa.
Paparay,
No?
Soyud,
Yeah.
Kalisaan.
May culture and tradition itong San Juan, but Quezon, I think, is playing at a high level right now. I'm going for Quezon.
Yeah, wala nang paligoy-ligoy pa dahil siya ang pangalawang coach ko simula bata ako. Coach Eric all the way.
Joe?
Quezon.
Because San Juan, they, like you said, they lost Mike. And I think they're also losing another key player, if I'm not mistaken.
Jerry
But he
Abacan.
will still be there.
Oh,
on
he'll
that
still be
day.
there.
Yeah.
Okay, so that's one.
Well,
thing.
last game, Harold Alarcon did not play. I believe because of injury. I'm not sure if this Thursday.
See,
Ngayon lang natin gagawin to. Itanong natin si Raven dahil wala naman siya dyan
Correct.
Raven,
Pwede.
Quezon or San Juan? Para sa'yo, nakalaban mo na yan pareho.
Since nandito sa said Quezon po.
Okay. Okay, next games. Ito,
Ulitin
maganda
ko
rin Maganda rin to Negros versus Ilagan, Marilao versus Parañaque, and for our last game, we have Abra versus San Juan na.
Pwede bang Abra versus Binyan na yung pag-usapan?
Ay, Abra versus Binyan. I mean, bago kayong dalawa, unahin mo natin si Sed. Sed, Abra or Binyan?
Ito si Raven. Abra. Abra.
Okay, Joe?
Abra pa rin, Abra.
Abra. Okay. Kayo? Mauna ka na.
Wag na ako yung tanongin nyo. Wag na.
Ikaw, sige.
Coach Boy at Pitiwala ako sa'yo.
Okay.
Saka nasa home
okay.
court nasa home court ang Binyan. Binyan ako. Titry ko.
Oh, sige.
Try ko.
Pero at sabihin ko na kay Raven
magaganda yung sasabihin ng...
Magaganda.
Huwag kang mag-alala.
Sa kanilang dalawa kasi ikaw din sa Thursday.
Oo,
Di ba?
maganda.
Maganda.
Ako mix, wala akong sagot. Kasi kung wala si Raven dito, Binyan ang sagot ko. Pero since nandito si Raven, wala akong sagot.
Okay. Ang maganda pa dito, sa araw na to, dalawang mascot natin dyan. Si Kalaw at saka si si Binyan. Okay, maraming salamat. Please panoorin niyo po ang ating mga games this week. On Wednesday, meron ding magandang laro na hindi natin nabanggit dyan. Meron tayong Jensen versus Rizal. Sa Montalban. No?
Correct.
Okay, and that's the final buzzer for this week's episode. Maraming salamat po sa aming special guests, Raven Gonzalez and Sed Manzano, and to our super-duper special guest host today, ang nag-iisang Shadelf Tupas. Maraming salamat at sana bumalik ka pa dito sa pagsama
I
sa
beg to
amin.
differ. Sana wag na.
Sa pagsama sa amin sa isa na namang masaya at maaksyong kwentuhan.
Kung nabitin kayo, hit that subscribe button. Remember to catch our episode first on YouTube and Spotify. Follow us on all socials at Rebanse Podcast at huwag kalimutan i-drop ang inyong sariling hot takes at predictions sa comment section below.
With all my heart, in spite of our disagreements, I love you, brother. Don't forget to tune in to our latest episodes dahil dito, hindi lang mahalaga kung paano ka natalo kahapon. Ang mahalaga ay kung paano ka babawi bukas. Study the game. Respect the process.
Till the next episode, ako po si Mika Bisamis.
I'm Coach Christian Loanzon.
Joe Gomez Deliano here.
Laging tandaan, kung may issue, may sagot.
Kung may talo, May Rebanse!
Yan ang laro, yan ang kwento, yan ang MPBL. Walang sawang nagbibigay ng bagay na pag-uusapan. Bawat episode, sisiguruhin naming walang play na mapapabayaan. Walang issue na may iiwasan at walang debate na mananatiling walang sagot. Dahil ang basketball, hindi natatapos sa buzzer. Nagsisimula pa lang ang usapan. Kung gusto mong marinig ang totoo, ang analysis, ang history, ang init ng laban na hindi mo mahanap sa ibang lugar, nandito kami. Bawat linggo, bawat laro, at bawat issue. Kung may issue, may sagot. Kung may talo, may rebanse. Ang podcast na hindi nagpapatalo.